In this video, I'll guide you through how to share your game library on Steam to another account. Steam's game sharing feature is a convenient way to let eligible family members or other approved accounts access games from your library. Setting it up only takes a few minutes, and once it's configured correctly, the authorized account can access your shared library on that computer. Let's walk through the process together. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, click the Login button near the top of the window. Enter your account name and password carefully, making sure there are no typing errors. If your credentials are filled in automatically, it's still a good idea to quickly verify they're correct before continuing. Once everything looks right, click Sign In. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage. This is where you can access your library, browse the store, and manage your account settings. To configure library sharing, move your cursor to the upper left corner of the Steam window and click Steam. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. When the Settings window opens, look at the list of categories on the left side and click the Family tab. This section contains the options related to Steam's library sharing features. Before continuing, it's worth noting that some Steam accounts may have limited functionality. If your account is limited, certain sharing options may not be available until the account meets Steam's eligibility requirements. Assuming your account is eligible, you can continue with the setup. Within the Family section, locate the option to authorize library sharing on this device. Enable this option by checking the corresponding box. This tells Steam that you're allowing eligible accounts on this computer to access your shared library. Below that, you'll see a list of eligible accounts that have previously signed into Steam on the same device. These are the accounts that can be authorized to access your library. Find the account you'd like to share your games with and check the box next to its name. This grants that account permission to access your shared library whenever it signs in on this computer. Once you've selected the accounts you want to authorize, click OK to save your changes. Steam will apply the new settings, and the authorized account will be able to access eligible games from your library through its own Steam account on that device. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully shared your Steam game library with another eligible account. It's a great feature for families and shared computers, making it easier to enjoy a larger collection of games without purchasing multiple copies when sharing is supported. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming experience on Steam.